Hello friends, how are you all? I am Kruti and welcome back to my channel. So again I'm back with a very fun and quirky video. So today I'm gonna share with you purple haul plus review of all the products. So here are the products that I'm going to talk about. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to talk to you about is this product from Aroma Magic. So this is Blossom Culture Aroma Magic sunscreen in the variant aloe vera. So this is basically gel based sunscreen, so it's perfect for people with my skin type. So my skin type is like I have sensitive skin and I have a combination skin. So most of the sunscreens available in our market is they are not suitable for my skin type. They leave a white cast or maybe they are too oily for my skin. So this is really perfect and affordable. I'll leave the price of everything here on the screen. So as you can see, this is completely gel based product and it does not leave any kind of white cast or anything, and it blends and absorbs gets absorbed really easily in my skin. The only thing is this is SPF 20, so you have to reapply. Like if you are constantly in sun, then you have to reapply this every, I would say, 2 to 3 hours. Otherwise this product is really nice and you should definitely give it a try. The second product that I'm going to talk to you about is this face wash from Good Vibes in the variant coffee. So the smell of this face wash is really nice and refreshing. So when we use it to wash our face, the smell itself helps us to feel de-stressed. But otherwise, for me, I'm not very happy with this product because this is not doing too much to my skin. But you can definitely give it a try because all the Good Vibes products are mineral oil and paraben free and also cruelty free. So maybe you can try, but personally for me it did not work well. The third product is again from Good Vibes and again face wash. So this face wash from Good Vibes is in variant papaya, and this is actually my second bottle that I've been using, and I'm literally in love with this face wash. Like I can swear by this. For all skin types this works really well, and once you wash your face with this, it really shows that brightness on your skin. It obviously cleanses your skin, but then it also leaves your skin very soft and bright, and it does not also take away all the natural moisture of your skin. So for me this is again a perfect face wash and I just love it. Do give it a try. Next up is one more product from Good Vibes. So basically in this entire haul there are a bunch of Good Vibes product because I love Good Vibes as a brand and I have tried so many products of theirs. So let's see. The next is this lip balm from Good Vibes, again in the variant coffee. So again this is really moisturizing, yes, and it keeps your lips moisturized for a good amount of time. But again I don't know, it is completely white as you can see, and I can't smell coffee in it at all. I don't even know that this is coffee or not, but they claim it to be coffee variant. But otherwise as a product it's really nice, but it does not smell or feel like coffee in it. So the next is product from brand Mamaearth. It is their C3 face mask. So C3 face mask is basically it contains charcoal, coffee and clay. So again, people with my skin type who has combination skin or even oily skin, clay masks always work wonders, and so does this face mask for my skin. It is really soothing. It also clarifies your skin. A little bit on pricier side as compared to other products that we have in this haul, but then it's really worth it, because you need very less amount of this product, and I use it like once a week or sometimes twice a week. If I have been out for a longer period of time, then I use it twice a week, and it really cleanses my skin and it leaves my skin very soft and bright. And because it has charcoal in it, so obviously it will cleanse your pores from deep within. So you should definitely give this try. Next is again a product from Good Vibes. It is their Radiant Glow Face Serum in the Radiant Rose Hip. So rose hip oils are known to help your skin rejuvenate and keep it youthful. So if you are anybody at the age of 24, 25 or above, you should definitely include rosehip oil in your skincare routine. I personally like to use this face serum at night. So like at night I just wash my face and apply this on my face and nothing else. And when I wake up in the morning, like I can literally feel my skin soft, supple and bright. So please give it a try, because I have tried many other rosehip oils, but this is also affordable and effective. So do give it a try. Okay, so the next product is from this brand called Alps Goodness. It is their sandalwood face gel. So this was my first time using a sandalwood gel, and I was really happy that I made this purchase. I actually bought two of these because it was it was available in combo. So I bought two of these, and I was little skeptical that how would it turn out, but then it turned out really well. It makes my skin feel I can say calm and cold a little bit. So whenever I am out in the sun and when I come back, I just wash my face and apply this sandalwood gel, and it really cools down my skin. It has a wonderful cooling effect, and it is also moisturizing, especially now because it's little hot weather. We can't use exactly any kind of face, like I can't use any kind of face creams, so the gels works wonders for me. Next up is this beauty blender. So I don't remember the brand of this. I'll leave a photograph of this product here somewhere. But this, like I've been using this, as you can see, I've been using this for past few weeks, and this works really well. Like it is really soft, as you can see, and it expands really well when you put it in some water. And because I like to put it in water and then I use it, so it expands really well, and it blends also, like it blends the foundation and the concealer really well on the skin. So I'm really happy with this product, and it is affordable. So next is again a product from this brand Good Vibes, and again in the variant coffee. So this is their coffee face scrub. So out of all the products in the coffee range that I have purchased, this is supposed to be my favorite because the scrub, the beans of the scrub are really very soft and tiny. They're not very harsh on the skin. It smells really amazing, like really amazing, and the consistency is also really very nice. So once we use it, this does not leave our skin very dry or itchy or anything. So it is perfect for all skin types, I would say, but especially for the people who have sensitive skin, this will work wonders. You can believe me for this. The next product is this very cute lipstick from NY Bay. It is in the shade Runway, and this is really nice shade, especially if you are anywhere near my skin tone. This is going to look really beautiful on you. So please try this shade. This is really nice, and it does not also leave your lips very dry or anything, but again it's kind of matte, polished matte, I would say. So really nice product. Next is again a liquid lipstick, which is again matte liquid lipstick from NY Bay, and the shade of this is, I can't read, so I'll again leave it here. but this shade did not work very well for my skin tone, so obviously my sister is going to use it. So people who have very much fair skin, this shade is going to work well on their skin, and not maybe people with darker skin. That is just my opinion, but again, if you can pull it out, nothing like it. The last product is this kajal pencil from the brand called Bella Voste. I hope I'm pronouncing the brand right. So this is how it looks. I've been using this since quite some time now. So I would say this is moderately smudge proof and waterproof, but for me it works fine because it is affordable and it is moderately, smudge proof. So it's really nice. You can definitely give it a try if you're looking for a kajal which is in the affordable range and yet, smudge proof and waterproof. So you guys, that's all for today's video. This was part 1. I'm coming up with part 2 of Purple Haul Plus review very soon. That part 2 is going to be about just one single brand, not sponsored. But I'm not going to reveal what brand, so stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it right now and hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new and fun video, you get notified. And I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye. हिंदी बोलवा मंडी गई थी એટલે ફરીથી કરું છું આ પાર્ટી. So much of makeup, I just like to color my color, smudge proof and waterproof.